Today, I'm excited to introduce a wired GPS tracker from our company. The standard package includes the main device, packaging, and accessories. First, let's take a closer look at the device's appearance. It features a waterproof design with an IP66 rating and a well-structured interface. Key components: microphone, power cable, SOS button, next, open the tracker's cover and insert the SIM card into the card slot. You'll find a power button located on the left side of the card slot. Press it, and if both red and blue lights flash, the device is successfully online. Close the cover and connect the power cable. Attach the SOS button and microphone to the designated ports on either side of the cable. Finally, connect the power cable's positive and negative terminals to your car, and the device is ready to use. Thank you for watching.